Hello students, today we are going to start our new chapter of accountancy, that is chapter 1, and the chapter name is Financial Statement of Not for Profit Organization. This is part 1 of that chapter, and first of all we will have to understand what is the meaning of not for profit organization. Not for profit organization is such a type of organization whose objective is rendering service, not to earn profit. That is called not for profit organization. For example, club, hospitals, libraries, schools, religious institutions, charitable institution, literary society, all are the examples of not for profit organization. Some basic features or characteristics of not for profit organization. The first one is main aim is service. The main objective of not for profit organization is rendering service in the place of earning profit. Form. The not for profit organization is a charitable trust and societies which is operated by the subscriber or their members. The third one is separate entity. Not for profit organization is a separate entity from its members. There is no distinct connection between members or society. Managed by elected members. These organizations are fully managed by the representing members of that not for profit organization. Major source of income. The major source of income of not for profit organization is subscription, donation, government grant, and income from investment. Next, surplus not distributed among its members. After paying all expenses, the remaining amount called surplus, and that surplus not distributed among the members. These surplus are used in next year. Account. Not for profit organization also have to maintain some accounts for maintaining their fund or utilization of their funds. Form of account. The account that is prepared by the not for profit organization is receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet in the place of trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Here, difference between not for profit organization and profit organization is given. The first one is profit motive. The main motive of not for profit organization is rendering service, but the main motive of profit organization is providing or earning profit. Capital versus capital fund. They don't have to maintain capital account. Instead of capital account, they prepare capital fund account. And in profit organization, they maintain a capital account. Financial statement. The not-for-profit organization makes 3 accounts, that is receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. But the profit organization makes 4 accounts, that is manufacturing account, trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Surplus versus profit. The net result shown by the income and expenditure account is either surplus or deficit. But the net result of profit and loss account is called net profit or net loss. Distribution of profit. In not-for-profit organization, the surplus or deficit is not distributed among its members. The surplus or deficit amount is adjusted in capital fund. But in profit organization, the net profit or net loss is distributed among the members. The first account is receipt and payment account. What is the basic information of receipt and payment account? The receipt and payment account is the summary of cash book. It means that all the incomes are recorded in the debit side and all the expenses are recorded in the credit side. Here, some silent features of receipt and payment account is given that. First one is nature of account. Receipt and payment account is a real account. Hence, the rule of real account is applied that debit what comes in and credit what goes out for preparing this account. It always starts with opening balance of cash and cash at bank. Nature of items recorded on the debit side and credit side. It is a summary of cash book. So all cash receipt are recorded on the debit side or all cash payment are recorded on the credit side, whether they are capital nature or revenue nature, whether they are related from previous year, current year or next year. The next one is closing balance of this account shows closing balance of cash in hand and cash at bank. It means that the balancing figure of this account always comes on the credit side. And this balancing figure called cash in hand or cash at bank. If cash in hand is given in the question, that time the balancing figure is called cash at bank. But if cash at bank is given, that time the closing balance is called cash in hand. The next, non-cash items are not recorded in this account. It means that only cash items are recorded in this account. And ignore non-cash items such as depreciation, outstanding expenses, accrued incomes are ignored while preparing the account. Here, difference between receipt and payment account and cash book. We think that receipt and payment account are similarly same as cash book, but there is lots of difference in both the accounts. What is the difference? On the basis of basis. It is prepared on the basis of cash account, but cash book is prepared on the basis of cash receipt and cash payment. Period. Receipt and payment account is prepared at the end of the accounting year. It means on 31st March every year. But cash book is prepared on daily basis. Part of double entry system. Receipt and payment account is a summary of cash book. So it is not part of double entry system. But cash book is a part of double entry system. Debit and credit sides. The receipt and payment account, the debit side of receipt and payment account called receipt account and the credit side of receipt and payment account is called payment side. But in cash book, that's debit side is called debit side and credit side is called credit side. Ledger folio. In receipt and payment account, there is no column of ledger folio. But in cash book, there is a particular column of ledger folio. Institution. Receipt and payment account is prepared by not-for-profit organization. But cash book is prepared by the profit organization as well as not-for-profit organization. The second account that is prepared in this chapter, that is income and expenditure account. And here some basic information about this. Income and expenditure account is similar to the profit and loss account. It is similar to the profit and loss account. It is not same to the profit and loss account. Some special features of income and expenditure account. The first one is nature of account. Income and expenditure account is a nominal account. So here the rule of nominal account is applied that debit all expenses or losses and credit all incomes and gains. Nature of items recorded in it. Only revenue nature items are recorded in it. All the capital nature items are ignored while preparing the income and expenditure account. Omission of opening and closing balance of cash. It means that while preparing on income and expenditure account, we ignore the opening or closing balance of cash. Adjustment. This account is prepared at the same manner in which a profit and loss account is prepared. It means that all the adjustment are also occurred in this account. It recorded income and expenditure of current period. So, we can say that it records only current year incomes and expenditure, not previous year or next year's income and expenditure. Purpose. The main purpose of income and expenditure account to calculate the surplus or deficit. Here, difference between receipt and payment account and income and expenditure account are given. The first difference on the basis of nature. Receipt and payment account is a summary of cash book. But income and expenditure account is same as profit and loss account. Sides. The debit side of receipt and payment account is called receipt and the credit side of receipt and payment account is called payment. But the debit side of income and expenditure account is called expense and the credit side of income and expenditure account is called income. Types of account. Receipt and payment account is a real account. Income and expenditure account is a nominal account. Opening balance. Receipt and payment account always start with opening balance of cash and opening balance of bank. In income and expenditure account, there has no opening balance and closing balance. Closing balance. The closing balance of this account represents that the closing balance of cash in hand or closing balance of cash at bank. But the closing balance of income and expenditure account is called surplus or deficit. In simple words, the balancing figure of receipt and payment account is called closing balance of cash in hand or cash at bank. But the closing balance of income and expenditure account is called surplus or deficit. Next one, nature of items. In receipt and payment account, it records all receipt, whether they are capital in nature or they are revenue in nature. But in income and expenditure account, only revenue nature items are recorded. Period of income and expense. The receipt and payment account made during the year, whether they relate to the current year, previous year or next year. But income and expenditure records only current year income. Adjustment. Adjustment are not considered in the receipt and payment account. But all the adjustment are considered while preparing income and expenditure account. Balance sheet. There is no need of receipt and payment account for making the balance sheet. But income and expenditure account is compulsory for makes the balance sheet. Here, one more difference is given, that difference between income and expenditure account and profit and loss account. The main objective of income and expenditure account to calculate surplus or deficit. Surplus means excess of income over expenditure. But deficit means excess of expenditure over income. But the purpose or main objective of profit and loss account to ascertain net profit or net loss. Prepared by. Income and expenditure account is prepared by not for profit organization. But Profit and loss account is prepared by profit organization. Basis of preparation. Income and expenditure account are prepared on the basis of receipt and payment account and other information. But profit and loss account is prepared on the basis of trial balance and other information. Balance. The balance of income and expenditure account is called surplus or deficit. But the balance of profit and loss account is called net profit or net loss. With the help of tomorrow's video, we will discuss the numerical portion of this chapter.